So me, the Luna Bear dog, decided to come out here and do some of this stuff real fast. Here we are. Day is going to be filled with a little bit more of a wind. So I'm sure you can tell, kind of kicking up a little bit already. But I have a bunch of packs and I wanted to burn them. And I figured if I fly more in a valley than on a bluff or hillside, that I will be less f***ed. Let me know in the comments what you think. And also just, you know, what you think in general. No, I don't really engage with too many people because I'm not really on camera very much. But hell, let me know, you know, if you think I'm getting there, if you think maybe I can make some of this FPV thing, if you think that my flying is lukewarm dog shit, put it in the comments. I'd rather you not that personally, but that's how you feel, that's how you feel. So here we go. Let's make it run. Oh, yep, there you go. Yeah, a little bit more of a breeze just kicked up. I call it a breeze, but I have a gift for understatement. Hope for the best.
I wanna give. I've been a miner for a heart of gold. It's this expression I never give. It keeps me searching for heart of gold. And I'm getting old. It keeps me searching for heart of gold. Somebody. I've been to Hollywood, I've been to Redwood, I crossed the ocean for a heart of gold. I've been in my mind, it's such a fine line, it keeps me searching for heart of gold, and I'm getting old. It keeps me searching for heart of gold, and I'm getting old. Oh yeah. Getting old.